Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a password for your Meta Business Suite. So guys, you don't actually change the password from the Business Suite itself, from the home page or something, not from the settings. So basically, you need to change the password for the page that you used to connect as a business, right? So the very page that you initially created your Business Suite with. So let us just go ahead and edit the Facebook page. So manage on Facebook. Right, and after getting to your settings, then you tap on, of course, settings and privacy from here, then settings. Then guys, as you can see, we have this account center. Press on that. And we will be taken to this different page. And as you can see now, under account settings, we have password and security. And now guys, press on change password. Okay, and then just choose Facebook. And as you can see, you just type in your current password, then you just confirm this code, then you type in your current password, and then the new password, and then save. Right, as you can see, the new password, retype, and then change. You will, of course, get an email confirmation as well about the fact that your password have been changed, but in general, very easy, guys. Enjoy. This, of course, applies to your business suite as well. So you'll have to change your password globally on your mother account, right? So the very first account you've created, and then you're done, guys. Enjoy. If you enjoyed it, press like on the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys.